Hey everyone, it's Mallory and Mel, and we are so excited to be here with you all. We are behind the scenes at the May catalog shoot, trying on some fun summer trends.
And we'd like to tell you a little bit about our favorite trends, what we're wearing in the catalog. Let's start with you, Mallory. Tell us about your trend.
So I'm leaning into stripes, and I'm loving though that this is a different way to kind of play off that, right? This is a two-piece, and so you've got this nice tank. I love a good kind of more muscle top. But the skirt is so beautiful. It has this fun little ruche slit, so you can play with that, play with the height, get a little flirty with it if you want.
I love this for you.
So
It's
fun.
got to be so comfortable, right?
So
it looks
comfy,
so
but yet
comfortable.
elevated at the same time, which is always that beautiful sweet spot, especially for summertime.
And this brand is LNA, and this is one of our actually top selling tank tops. We love this, but I love it paired together. This is just a great look.
It's beautiful.
I call this barrel-ish. So if you've been watching denim trends, spring, taking this into summer, it is all about the barrel leg. But at Evereve, we kind of call it the barrel-ish. So it's real trends for real life. We haven't taken this over the top. But what I love and what the fresh take on the barrel leg is, it's like the update to your boyfriend jean.
Yeah.
So it's really relaxed in the thigh and throughout the leg, but just kind of an update, a little fresh twist on your denim, and so fun wearing it with sandals. I could throw this on with sneakers. Great summer denim brand. Throw this on with a pretty little top for date night, and you're ready to go.
Well, and I love it too because it feels like it softly launches you into the dare of the barrel leg, right?
Yes.
So for those of us who admittedly might be a little afraid, it's a really beautiful way to kind of ease you into that because it's still so flattering through the midsection and through the legs and
Absolutely.
all of it.
Absolutely. So again, both of these trends, stripes, barrel leg denim, these are great trends to take you all the way through summer just to freshen up your wardrobe, feel good about the looks you have on.
Yes.
Thanks for joining us.